Hello everybody, and we're back with another episode of The Repair Show. I have a beautiful, beautiful machine here, an C Smith Corona manual typewriter. No electricity here, baby. All solid mechanical power. Yeah, you see, that's what a little bit of we're going to be doing here today. First thing I did was go ahead and take out this bone dry mummy typewriter tape. We're going to reuse this a little later for tests, so we're just going to put this aside for right now. Yeah, we're just going to go through this baby and check her out. You see, what's great about these things is they're rock solid. They're built like tanks. You know, all it is just simple mechanical engineering, nothing fancy, no electronic controllers or anything like that. And yeah, what we're going to do today is just go through, check each one of our individual keys, and find some stuck keys, which I'm sure we'll find. I've already just found one right off the bat. The G key does not want to cycle back and return there. So yeah, let's get started on that. Okay, boys and girls, now I'm sure that you guys wanted to get a little closer look at this thing. So what we've done here is, usually I find that this, the actual letter row here, is where I usually find my first points of friction. You always just kind of want to lightly oil all this, and you know, I mean, I use some really nice light oil. This stuff is great. I love it. You know, and you know what, yeah, let's go ahead and stick, because there's some mechanical tracks here, just a little bit of oil right there. Is right here. This rides up and down the shift mechanism, so we just want to move that around like that, get her going. And you see there's two rows of letters on each one of these little arms, and when you shift down it just kind of lowers those up and down. So it looks like Q is also the Q is also the number P? No, what is that? I don't know what that is, but anyways, you get the idea. There's one like capital and lowercase, and various numbers and stuff. So that's pretty cool mechanism. We've already gone back here a little bit with the spout oiler and oiled up all back here. And another thing you need to do, this little track for the carriage, get under there and just kind of lube her up a little bit. And yeah, so you know, you bring her all the way over, let's see, and you hit your tab later, bring it all the way back, don't knock your bottle of oil over, and yeah, you see right there, we got a problem. I'm hitting the space bar. Oh wait, yeah, helps if I put it back the right way. There we go. Now we're going. Okay, you know, and you can go up your rows like this. We've already oiled this mechanism right here. Oh, look at that. I don't know why I love that gearing so much. So yeah, we're just going to go through and start cycling keys here. So, let's see, let's check our backspace. So just start there. So, we see it's not actually advancing the carriage back when I hit the backspace. Huh. And another thing, let's try that now. Okay. Let's figure that out. Why it won't why the carriage won't go back with the backspace. Alright, so I was messing around with it and I found this little switch here. Not entirely sure what it does, but it has 3 positions there. Got the little French flag, or no, that's American red, white, and blue. Jesus Christ, Grant. Anyways, but yeah, no, it's got to be there on the blue side in order to get it going. So yeah, now we've got that going. Her space bar works again, and our backspace is working. So let's just get the carriage to go all the way back here. That's as far as she can go. I need to figure out how to set the margins on this thing. And yeah. Alright, so yeah, let's start testing some keys here. So here's a little interesting side note. Pay attention here. Look at this number row. There's no 1 key. Way back in the day, they used to double substitute the I key here for the 1 key. So that's why there's no number 1 key. It just goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And you know, your eye is your eye and your one. Oh look, another stuck key. How great. So, I've oiled up the mechanism, so we're just going to have to work the heck out of these keys. 2, 3, 4, 5's working, 6 is working, 7 appears to be working, 8, 9, 0, asterisk slash minus. Oh, yeah, work that guy. Really just pound it up and down. Get that oil to work in, loosen up any grime. So yeah, let's see. There we go. There we go. Margin release seems to be cycling back. So let's check out the sift action here. Awesome. And we press it again. Okay. Our shift works on both sides. Okay, so let's go to the next row. Go to the QWERTY side. Q. Okay. That's good. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Oh no. No. No, 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 no. Yeah. Just like that. So, another way I found to get these old typewriter keys unstuck without having to reach back, flip the arm down every time and then cycle the key until she stops doing. Bang on the shift a little bit, so we're just gonna... Yeah. Okay, this one's gonna take some intensive care and I don't have a third arm or a tripod yet, so give me a second. So yeah, we got it here, we got it. Oh, really? Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna just keep working that bad boy. Damn it. There we go. So instead of putting you through the misery of me going through each individual key while I shaky cam the whole entire thing and you can't really see anything that's going on, we're just gonna make a little montage here, me going through all these keys. So Q, fast forward in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna have to come back with some epoxy and glue these rings back down so they don't fly off. I already got one key that's missing one. Woo! Okay, so that's all the keys tested. And yeah, let's just go through them real quick, one after the other. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hold on. We're losing keycaps here. Put these guys back on. Oh man, yeah. That's something I have to check out for every single key. This thing looks just too cool with these caps. Sorry, got NPR going on in the background. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to really do that. Just go back and find each one of these that has loose keycaps and glue them on, because you know I already got the asterisk one missing one here, and it looks way too pretty without them. So yeah, that's what we're probably gonna have to do is you know I got quite a few of these where the keycaps are coming off, so we're probably gonna have to come back and check for loose keys. And loose keycaps and glue them on so we don't lose them. So we got our ancient typewriter tape here, and I've just got a little bit of a fountain pen ink, and we're gonna unscrew this. Ooh, delicious. And just kind of dip it in there a little bit, kind of smooth this ink out over some of the ribbon. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna have blue fingers, but who cares? Someone's gonna think I robbed a bank. Got dye pack all over my hand or something. Oh well. For the repair. Yeah, we're gonna slather up a good section of ribbon here. Just long enough so we can actually type onto a page. Yeah, that's good. Get that all inked up. Don't finger the Smurf, boys. And that should be more than enough. Just kind of smooth it out there one last time. Make sure it's really just nice and wet and slathered up. That sounds way too dirty for PG television. I apologize. But we're just talking about a typewriter, boys and girls. Cool your jets. Cool your jets. All right. That's it. So let's go ahead and get this loaded up in the machine after I remove essence of blue from my hands. Hey guys, so we got our tape inked back up there. This is gonna be here for a couple days. Someone's gonna think I robbed a bank. Oh well. Anyway, so we're gonna get this tape loaded back up here. I got a piece of paper on standby. We're just gonna get this guy in here. Find those indexing teeth. Oh Christ. How do they want you to load this? Ah, okay. Gotcha. Okay, so we're just gonna feed this through here. And you know what? I'm gonna fast forward through this process. It's gonna be quite tedious. Okay, so it's in. Let's go ahead, get our paper loaded up here. Okay, let's try it. This is a text. Looks like it works. This is only a test. It's not the best writing in the world, but hey, it's what you get for re-wetting a mummified typewriter tape. So let's try out one that uses every letter. Shift V, quick, brown, fox, jumped over the lazy dog. Well, you can't see it very well, but it's there. It's there. So, guys, that's it. We have restored the typewriter. I'm going to get on eBay, find some new old stock, some typewriter ribbon or some, duplicate typewriter ribbon that would be compatible for this. We're going to get it loaded up with a fresh cartridge, and it's going to be ready for the showroom floor now. So, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.